that probably our queries led you to create an impression that we are diluting something. We are not at all diluting anything. We are only on the issue and to facilitate all of us to know the nothing indicated about the income of husband and parents. Yes, that also to just know the perspectives of the issue which are before us. This can be considered by various angles. We may express that whether this issue can be considered by this way. By that it will not probably, we hope, indicate that we are going to dilute something, or we are going and taking a view to see that the provisions which are made to safeguard the SC/ST are somewhere affected, or we are giving some go by to these provisions. This probably is not even remotely. Okay. I don't know whether it was maybe some communication gap. I don't think that in any way we try to suggest it.